Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to do a little project here. These have something from Eastern Leaf, Japanese black pine, Pinus the Burgley. Don't know how to say that. So it comes with soil in the package, and then it has this fertilizer. You're supposed to fertilize like almost all year round, less in the winter. So it looks like it's pretty strong stuff to get everything jumped up. Got this little pot came with, and then we have this pumice that came with it. Now I'm using a bowl because I'm assuming there's more than just a couple seeds, as you can see from this vermiculite mix. So it's been stratified for 3 months, and so I think it's time to get them ready to go. So I got some sphagnum moss here. I'm going to put this in the bowl at the bottom. You can see I put holes in the bottom here, and so just to make sure everything stays nice and moist, it never dries out, I don't kill these poor things. Got some of that in the bottom. We'll spread that around and then we'll put the soil on top of that. But like I said, I don't know how many seeds are going to be here, so I'm using a bigger bowl to give them more space, and because that little pot, just I don't know if how many are going to grow. So they packed quite a lot of soil in here. It's really firm. I'm not sure. I'm certain it's peat moss, I would imagine. I don't see any coconut or anything like that. There is, wow, there's a lot of dirt in that little package. Alright, I'll give you a little peek at what this looks like here. So I got the pumice over the coals, and then I got the soil. Kind of tap down so you can take a look at what's out here. Alright, so that's quite a lot of soil. I don't know how all that soil was supposed to fit in that little package, but... Alright, so we're going to show you some of these seeds, and then I won't make you watch me pick them out, all of them. So we're going to count in and see how many we got here, and see what they look like. They look like little rocks, obviously like regular seeds. So I will start counting and I will be right back. Alright, so it looks like we got about 20. So 20 exactly, right on the nose. And so I'm going to stick these in the soil and I will be back. Alright, so I got them in there, and let me tap these down here just to make sure that they are just covered just a little bit. So there's 20 seeds. I try to separate them as much as I can. I'm going to put some more sphagnum moss on it here. And as I separate this, just to make sure that there's light getting through, but let me show you what it looks like when it is done. Alright guys, here it goes. This is the completed everything. So like I said, it's from Eastern Leaf. I'll put their information down here, and hopefully in the next 3 to 6 weeks we will have something to show for our long 3 months in the refrigerator. So I'm going to stick this actually in a 1-gallon plastic baggie just to keep it moist, and so I won't probably have to water it, if ever, maybe once or twice. But I will get back to you guys when I see if anything shows up. So have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.